Moving ahead, for the next technical session, may I request you to put your hands together as I invite Mr. Saravanakumar N, Chief Executive Officer, CAD Macro on Digital Performation Strategy. Digital Transformation Strategy, my bad, once again. Please put your hands together as I invite him on stage to speak on Digital Transformation Strategy. We are all transforming, and that is where the conversation is going to be. So please put your hands together as I invite Mr. Saravanakumar N, Chief Executive Officer, to doing the same today, because in that case, you stand a chance to win a lucky draw, which is going to happen at the end of this event. So we will also request you to be physically present so that in case your name comes up, you become the lucky winner. Huge round of applause for
Good morning, everyone. It's my pleasure to share the stage among with the stalwarts of tooling industries. I'm very young to you all when it comes to the tooling experience. Conceptually, I know all about the tooling industry from the software side. But you are all really great. One thing always in my mind about the tooling industry is this industry is the mother industry for any industry. Without tooling, you can't do anything in the world. You all are very great. Yeah. Today we are going to talk about digital transformation strategy in tool room. It's not new for the tool room people. We are hearing this for a very long time. Everyone is talking about new technologies, and the recent past, people are, and especially the software industry is crazy about manufacturing industry, and they are pushing their product in the scale you can't even imagine, like Industry 4.0. They are talking about, when it comes to Industry 4.0, first of all, I would like to tell you about the impacts that tool rooms are today. Today, because of the software technology, your lead times are going to be shortened, and you are meeting up the manufacturing commitments and everything. And rapid design solutions, which helps faster designs as well as the BOMs, extraction of BOMs and other stuff are very easy for you. And simulation tools, before making a tool, you can do the simulation and test the material is right or where you are going to do it. And CNC softwares, now a lot of CNC softwares which are available in market, which gives you high-speed machining and others. So cutting tool life management and agility and customer solutions. There are a lot of custom solutions or providers are available in market. That is nothing new. But when it comes to digital Industry 4.0 in digitalization of tooling industry, it has to go a long way. Still, especially I'm talking about in Indian industry, it needs a long way to go. What are the types of data we are going to capture? First and foremost thing, tooling industry all in India, they are capturing data. They are capturing data from production, they are capturing data from quality, they are capturing data from customers, suppliers, and manufacturing data. Everywhere they are collecting the data. But it is unfortunate that each department has their own systems and tools to keep their data in various formats like spreadsheets or in various formats, which is not driving any decision making. That is where we are really lagging. When it comes to make decisions, it is very important to integrate all the systems, all the departments together and do what you call it, integrated software is very much required. See, when I talked about Industry 4.0, this is how most of the, see, I met a company in India when they want to do a IoT. I asked them, okay, fine, when we are going to go for IoT, fine, what is the real need for you? They said, we want to capture the machining hours. What you are going to do with the machining hours? They don't have answer for it. Whether we are going under production? No. You don't have a clear plan for this. You need a MES. You should know how many hours it has to run. Whether it is running on the right time or not, that has to be compared and extract the exact data and where we need to do a improvement. Then I asked them, do you have any MES or physical system to, or algorithms do you have? They said no. So people are forcing at IoT and other things just like that from, I'm talking about the software industry. They are very much crazy because they are talking about jargons. But when it comes to reality, you need a physical system to capture the basic data, which is very, very important. And once you capture the basic data, with that you have to integrate with the IoT and check whether it is going on. You have to collect huge data, at least for 2 years to 3 years of data with various tooling and other stuff. Based on that big data only, you can compare with the other industry data and whatever data which are available from the machine operators and other people, machine manufacturers, that we need to compare, and then you need to make a AI to drive the entire industry. And these are the top manufacturing solutions which are readily available, like smart factory solution is available, industry IoT is available, advanced robotic is available, predictive maintenance, addictive manufacturing, digital twins, supply chain management and quality systems, energy systems, and AR and VR, augmented and virtual reality is available. But when it comes to it, you look at it, all are a different single solution. Each all need to be integrated. Then only you can get the real output of the and how to resolve the challenges. Okay, this data I captured from one of the leading consulting agent and company. Across globe, they have done research with more than 5,000 manufacturing companies, including tooling industry, including India, everywhere. They are facing these challenges, increase of volumes, revenue, how to increase the quality, how to reduce the cycle time, and the customer priorities keep changing because of the new demand from the customer. Based on that, the OEMs are changing their models. They keep asking for new models every year. Even last day, they are all talked about all this stuff. And what you need is increasing visibility and improve the real-time decision. It is very, very important. There we are really Indian tool makers are need to look into it. Because when you want to go and fight with the global competition, you definitely need real-time visibility and other stuff. Okay, how to implement and traceability, all these things. And these are the percentage, these are given by the industry stalwarts. The top level management, they are facing in a 100% scale. See, the cost is 12%, environmental, supply chain, all these percentage, you can look into it. This is how they are facing. How we are going to address this? You look into it. One is supply chain management, two is technology. If you look into it, cost, finance, supply chain, quality, alone it comes to 50% of your, almost 50% of your challenge. How you are going to do it? Let us join together and embark this difficult mission. Okay, what is the impact of this manufacturing challenge? Increasing cost, lack of innovation. These are the things last one day every speakers are talked about all the same thing. And when it comes to it, what we really need in Indian tool manufacturing is MOM. That is, manufacturing operation management is must. And you need a production planning, scheduling is very, very must, because the tooling industry is one industry where the dynamics changes every minute, even every second, I can say. Even a small mistake change the entire tooling timeline in a different scale. So it is very, very must. Most of them are having most of the data, but when it comes to planning and scheduling, you depend on a human. He is going to do it. Your planner is there. I don't deny it. But the changes are happening in a tool room. If you want to change his plan, he may need at least 3 hours to do one changes. How he is going to make 10 or 15 changes in a day? It is impossible for a human to do it. So you need an automated system to solve this issue first. And when it do the planning and scheduling, okay, After that, you need to capture the shop floor execution. That is very important, capturing the data from the operator, right from setting time to taking out the material from the machine. Sorry, my jargons may miss out because I am not from the tooling industry. Okay. And very, very important is inventory management, because most of the tool rooms, your money is lying ideally for months and years, just lying on the shop floor, because you don't have a clear visibility on your inventory. And when it comes to quality, yes, quality is, without quality, we can't compete with any of the global market. So quality is very, very important. We need to capture quality right from material coming inside to our, what do you call it, the stores or the warehouse. From that point, we need to capture the quality. For that, you need a flexible tool to capture the quality data to delivery, till delivery, including after machining or before machining, everything need to be captured. And apart from that, it is very, very important, because very cost intensive industry is a tooling industry, because you put lot of money in the machines. So your machines need to be maintained and assets need to be managed properly with predictive maintenance and other stuff, which you need to do it. For everything, whatever you are doing here, these data need to be captured every single point in a single system, not in a various platforms or various tools, spreadsheets and other stuff. If you do it, you may not able to take a decision-driven system at all. It is impossible. If you ask for a report, your team may give you a report after 3 hours or 4 hours, or they may take 1 or 2 days, because it is very, very difficult for them to, because he is using some different format. The X department, for example, the purchase department is using a X format, your quality department using a other format. To concatenate and compare the data itself for him will take 1 or 2 hours. So it is very important, after having all these things, then only you can able to monitor your real-time production, and monitoring and reporting, everything has to be done from this data. It is very, very important. See, when it comes to it, what is the significance? I told you also, improve your efficiency. When you have a data in hand, when you have the clear KPIs or metrics with you, you definitely you can increase your operational excellence. And enhancing the traceability, where it is lying, why, when we need the material. See, most of the tool room industry, they buy, once they get the order, immediately they are buying the product and they are dumping it in the store, or the last minute they are going, the delivery get delays, based on that your delivery get delays. See, this is how it is happening. You have to trace it exactly where it is lying and what job is running in that particular project or the particular tooling is happening, how it is going to be done, and when you are going to do it, whether there is a bottleneck, whether you need to outsource. Everything you should know in advance. For that, we need data gain. And increasing agility. Yesterday, everybody is talking about agility. Agility is. This is a dynamic industry. Agility starts, I can say agility is the word, maybe comes from software jargons and other stuff and the other people are using, but the real agility is happening in tool room industry, I know very well. Better collaboration and communication, which saves you a lot of cost in terms of production, improvement, inventory, manpower upskilling and downskillings, and where you need to put your investment. Our tool room people are mostly thinking that, okay, fine, I'll buy this X machine or Y machine or this high speed machine. Fine, you can buy. Who is going to operate? What kind of data you are having, whether you really require to buy it or not. Okay, everything has its own challenge. Again, if you put into it, as I told you, integrating with the existing system, it is again a complexity. Their legacy systems are running and nobody wants to get change of it, including the employees or the managers, those who are sitting in the top levels. They are also having their own format. If you look into it, the tool room industry, everyone has their own format. And in this industry, the dynamics change not only in tooling, it is happening in the manpower also. I am seeing for the last 7 years in the tooling industry, the managers are get changed very frequently. They come and implement their own way of reporting system. So they keep changing it. But the result is the data. They don't have a proper data and no integrated data. That's one thing we are really missing. That we need to do it. And when it comes to data security, because you people are working with most of the OEMs and manufacturers, so the patterns and everything is there. You are doing the machinery works and other stuff. So you definitely require a data security and privacy concern also. And apart from that, workforce upskilling and change management. Here is the real challenges lies with the tool room owners, I can say, or the top management people. Really, you have to have a mindset to change management is required, because the tooling industry, the process what you are doing on a day-to-day activity, that you want to keep it aside. It has to be fixed. You don't want to change. If somebody wants to change also, there will be a lot of resistance from employee, lot of resistance from the middle management people. But the owner has to have the will to change and make it happen. And scalability and flexibility. And return of investment, once you put it, all this in place, you are going to get the return of investment. There is no doubt on it. Okay, these are the strategies I am talking about. Legacy system, we need to have a comprehensive digital strategy to integrate all the existing system and convert this data into one single system. That we need to do it. And data science is again the same thing what I am talking about. Prioritize the data. There are a lot of data, whether it is required or not. We have to eliminate some data, some old things, and put the new information in it and capture new data and analyze it and put it in the new system. And resistance in change, as I told you, we need to cultivate a culture in the organization. That is our main role for the investors. They have to do it. And lack of skills, we have to invest little bit of time and money to develop the workforce. I don't deny that it is not a big deal, because the software what we are going to use, that is very important, because 2 years back or 10 years back, people are now hesitate to do the digital payments and other stuff. Now everyone is doing it because it's easy to use. From button phone, now we are changed into smartphone. Even your operator, everybody is using it. They are ready to change. We need to change ourselves and mindset from it. And security concern, as I told you, these are a lot of things which I want to discuss, but most of the things are like jargons which may go out of your head. Only the IT guys will understand. And doing this digitalization, what you are going to do it? Enhance efficiency, improving productions, cost savings, improve quality, flexibility, supply chain, and innovating your new business model. These are the 7 things last one day they are talking about, which you can easily achieve. They have talked about challenges, now the solution is in your hand. And don't get into the rat race. Some software they are coming with, if you want to get into the rat race, fine. End of the day, whether it is going to fit for the all industry, no. You need a custom solution for your requirement. Whether the software is developed for this particular industry or for some other industry and they are trying to adapt it or to try to fix it. Okay, the need comes first. Again, what exactly you want to capture, where you want to capture, all those things. And user-friendly environment is very important to do it, to easily capture the data. And I would like to tell about CAD Macro I am representing. We are a 17 years old Indian company. We are developing CAD/CAM software for the last 17 years, and most of you are aware of it in the tool room. And we expanded our operations in India, Singapore, Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Taiwan, US, UK. Apart from that, now we are putting our footprint in Europe also. And very soon you are going to see a big manufacturing, machine manufacturer is going to come up with our own software in all the machines across the globe. And we have 50 seat developers in India. And we have our own team is sitting everywhere in major cities like Mumbai, Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad, in Chennai, and our own team is giving the sales as well as the support to you. And these are our products. We have a wire cut EDM for CNC for wire cut, turnings, detailing, inspection, drill, design, EDM, shop plan. I'm going to talk about shop plan a little more. And shop mold is for maintaining your mold, whatever they are making, and macro nesting. And now we are coming out with TLMS, that is tool life management also. Shop plan. What is shop plan? Shop plan is, this is the workflow of the shop plan. This is built and developed from the tool room industry, not from outside, because our founder is from tool room, and the support by the tool rooms, they demanded us to create this software. Based on the inputs of the tool room only, we have designed this software. Right from order to delivery, you can handle everything in one single system, including your planning, scheduling, everything. This is the objective of the software. One is that from the company point of view, you need to have a portal that standardized data. It shows you. It is easy to train the employees for whatever mistake they have done in the past. You have the data for that also. And big data analysis. Top management always sees the status reports, prediction, delivery, critical failings, and managers should take the schedules, critical alerts, rejection, reworks, and other stuff. And the planners, all, as I said, the scheduling, setting priority, rescheduling, SOP, adding the, including you can add the SOP files, CNC programs, everything in the process itself. So the operator just download it and use it. The supervisor will have the upper hand to manage their manpower, and whatever job is going on, he can also able to do it. And operator no need to wait for data, or somebody has to give what need to be done, because each operator is going to be assigned with what job he need to do for the day, including the program settings, everything will be available on his hand. He need not wait for manager or somebody has to come and give you this data. See, when I talked about CRM, it's a simple module. We can have two types of estimation. One is precise, another one is normal generalized estimations. This is order creation. And this is the project dashboard. In this project dashboard, you can see this, what are the tools are readily now ongoing, what is the process, where it is the manufacturing due date, where it is red, that shows the you are lagging. You are go beyond the times. And the X mark, it shows that X mark is rejection and rework is happened in that particular tool. You can easily find it out. And this is the design activity. From design activity, you can fetch the data from any design tools, and you can import the directly the BOMs to our software by Excel or any other mode. And once you do it, you can estimate the process, what are the process need to be done, how many hours it is going to be done, that can be done. And project macro level planning, you can do micro level planning, all this planning has to be done. And what if analysis also you can do when it comes to a new tool is coming to you. That is also can be done. Whether we need to take the project or not, we can say the customer, yes, I'm going to take this project, but I can deliver only by this time. Sorry, I'm rushing because of the time. Okay, and you can find the gaps between that, and visually you can understand everything. Here you can see the machine capacity, whatever machine you are used, that green color with 89, 54, all these numbers, that is the date. On the date, how much capacity is loaded for that particular machine, you can know. So how to improve your job on that particular machine, and you can make it 100%. And rescheduling can be done by a click of a button. You will get all the reschedules based on the priority. It's a load factor in different format. And we can capture the data as a MES. We have a MES inbuilt with capture the data using barcodes, or start, stop, change management, or even temporary stop, whatever reason he can put. There are three other methods. This is by, this is are the jobs loaded for the customer, the operator. He can use it by system. And this is a mobile data capturing. You can do mobile data capturing by tab or keysock or whatever mode. You can just put it. They can also log in, and they can just by clicking and scanning it, he will do it. He can add the picture of that particular tool and send it to the manager. He can see that yes, this done is right or not, including quality. If it is quality is available, then the quality parameters also be added in this, so you can check the quality also here. And this is the project status report, where you are really planned and where you are going now, and pending with actual status. Delay in operator, delay report is also available, why it got delayed, and operator logs also available. And rejection rework center, here whatever rejection rework is happening, there you can capture the data as well as you can make a kappa report for that. This can be utilized for upskilling your employees. And employee performance report, you can capture machine reports, trial and cost report. This is very important for you because people are talking about when you do a trial, yes, there are trial errors are there, but what cost you are incurred for that? Do you have captured it and compared it? It is happening frequently or not? Those things you can compare and do. And production reports. And lot of MIS, we have more than 250 MIS, depends on the various tool rooms they want it. We have created those things. And these are the dashboard where you can see the OEE and machine, what is the machine status, whether job is available, compressor problem or running is there, what is the next job which is going to be, currently what job is running, and this is the machine wise performance. And this is the project wise performance where the project is going on, whether it is completed or not completed, where you are, it will indicate you. If it is red, then you are already you are crossed the timeline like that. I got a red now. Okay, by using our software, you can, the benefits, you meet the customer expectation through the on-time delivery, prediction commitments, and process, you can improve the process, costing also you can improve it. Human resource, ease to works, and shop floor real-time data, you have it on hand any point of time. And this is a simple ROE. I just put it for a 4 to 5, 15 members team with 7 machines. Just we calculated 1% improvement in a day. That gives you a cost per annum is 3,60,000. And for job booking only, I'm talking about the delay by the operator finding the job. I'm booking the optimization schedule, I'm putting only 5 machines optimizing, other machines are filled. So you get 26 lakhs. Reducing an engineer's work hours by 2 hours per day, that cost you 3 lakhs. And reduce up one planner with 6 hours because of the scheduling, whatever he's going to do, he's going to gain a 3 lakh something. And on-time delivery, I'm putting a very, very optimistic at the 0.05%. That gives you 15,000 to 1 crore I'm talking about. It's a very simple calculation. I've just put it across. The ROI is easy. And we have a large customer who recently implemented our Shoplan in his floor, and they seen a 25 to 28% within 3 months of time their production is improved. And these are our clients. This is how we do open a ticket. The technical support 24/7 we are able to give you.
Huge round of applause once again for the engaging technical session, and we would like to felicitate Mr. Saravanakumar. So may I request Mr. Akshay Kalyanpur, EC member, to do the honors. Huge round of applause for both these gentlemen.
Thank you.
Customer list is also
Calls for a perfect photo op as well. Thank you so much, gentlemen.